Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Android not finding Bluetooth devices. So first of all, what you have to do is drop down your notifications, and then you have to turn off your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth, sorry. You have to turn off your Bluetooth and turn it on again and check if it is finding new devices or not. So if the issue is not solved and your Bluetooth is not working and it's not finding new devices, then what you have to do is restart your Android device or your iPhone device. If you're using iPhone, you can also do this process on your iPhone as well. Turn off your Android phone, click on power off, and then what you have to do is also turn off your Bluetooth device. For instance, if you're using wireless earphones, you have to turn off your wireless earphones as well. Now once your phone has been restarted and also your Bluetooth earphones or any Bluetooth device that you're using is also restarted, then turn on the Bluetooth once again on both devices and check if the error is fixed or not. But if the error is not fixed, then what you have to do is go to your phone's settings and type in reset network. Then you'll be able to see reset mobile network settings. Click on it and then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click on it and it will reset all of the saved Bluetooth devices and it will refresh all your Bluetooth on your phone. And you have to keep that in mind, that resetting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi will also remove all the saved Wi-Fi password and all the Bluetooth devices that are paired to your phone. If resetting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi also doesn't work for you, then what you can do is open your phone's settings and then go to system and go to software updates and check if there are any software update available for your phone or not. If any system update is available for your phone, what you have to do is update your phone to the latest version, and hopefully by doing all of these steps, your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix Android not finding Bluetooth devices. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.